it's bake and make day. And it's bake and make day with Lily's peanut butter. For today, mag-create tayo ng isang yummy treats, yummy healthy treats using this peanut butter. So, ang ingredients na meron tayo ay
1 large egg, 1 1/2 cup of oats, 2/3 cup of maple syrup or honey, 1 cup of Lily's classic peanut butter. Preheat the oven to 175 Celsius. Combine the egg, maple syrup, and butter and mix well. Add the oats and mix well. Grease the baking sheet. Place a heaping tablespoon of mixture on the baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until it's cooked. Let cool and serve.